Chinese authority accused me very wrongly. Actually, the Chinese authority itself, they are responsible for bringing people to the streets to do this demonstration. Yes, it is true that after the Guangdong incident, I did call my people abroad to demonstrate against the Chinese authority and the Chinese suppression. However, it's nothing to do with the incident that took place in Urumqi. It's no relationship between it. Telling my people to took the streets to the demonstration, it's nothing wrong because we've been suppressed for so long, so that's why.
You've gone to the international media to say that you did not organize this riot. You've gone to them and say that you have nothing to do with these latest riots on the street. But at the same time, in the same breath, you've also said that you've asked the Chinese to change their policies, and you've accused them of demonizing the Uyghurs and of cultural genocide. So how is this not inciting people or encouraging people?
The reason behind the people took to the street is Chinese authority, because either whether I say anything or not, but the people took to the street of demonstration. It happened in 1966, it happened in 1987, it happened in 1997. This is all the true roots and cause is the suppression of Chinese authority towards our people. No matter what it's been said, but the main reason is Chinese authority pushed too hard.
A lot of people have been injured in these riots and these protests. Have you asked people to stay off the streets to restore calm? You are an influential figure.
Yes, I am telling them to be calm, to calm down, and the both side has to keep restrained, and the both side have to calm down.
The pictures we've seen are of Han Chinese injured, Uyghurs turning over cars, setting things on fire, women on the streets being attacked. How do you feel about that?
My people, Exiled Uighur Congress, as well as all people, they don't like aggression. I understand my people. My people are very peaceful. They came to the street for demonstration peacefully. It was a very peaceful demonstration. But Chinese authority deployed army and military into the scene. They actually beat the demonstration, peaceful demonstrators. News media should look at the both sides. Look at this picture. In this picture, the deployed troops are so much. It's 7 line of the troops. It's all the demonstration are very peaceful just over there. And how it's possible, imagine how it's possible in that situation, in that all among the army, how those people could, how the Uyghurs could injure anyone.